The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of DJI's most exciting and unconventional drones yet, and a pair of newly leaked images have just revealed why. These fresh leaks don't just show the drone's design, they hint at a major feature upgrade that could redefine how FPV and 360-degree drones are used. On top of that, pricing details have now surfaced, giving us a clearer picture of where the Avata 360 will sit in DJI's lineup. Shared by well-known leaker Igor Bogdanov at Quadro News, the leaked images appear highly credible. The first image shows the Avata 360 powered on and connected to a DJI RC controller that closely resembles the DJI RC2. A live video feed is visible on the screen, confirming active transmission and giving us our first real look at how the drone operates in practice. Design-wise, the Avata 360 features a gray Cine-Whoop-style frame with fully enclosed spherical propeller guards. This strongly suggests a focus on safe indoor flying and close proximity shots, similar to the Avata series, but with a more refined, protective structure. Visible DJI branding and labeling point toward an upgraded transmission system, likely DJI's O4 tech, which would mean better range, lower latency, and improved signal stability. The most interesting detail, however, is the camera module. The leaked image clearly shows a tiltable camera system where one lens can face directly forward. This is a huge clue. It strongly suggests that the Avata 360 isn't just a dedicated 360-degree camera drone. Instead, it appears capable of switching between full 360 capture and traditional forward-facing FPV flight. In simple terms, DJI may be combining a cinematic 360 drone and an FPV drone into one compact platform, something we haven't really seen before. The second leaked image shows what looks like a freshly unboxed kit. It includes the drone, multiple batteries, and a charging hub, giving us a clear idea of what the retail bundles may look like at launch. In 360 mode, both lenses point up and down to capture an entire environment with an invisible drone effect. In FPV mode, the gimbal rotates 90 degrees to reveal a single forward-facing lens for fast, agile flying. Even more exciting is the technology inside. Each lens is expected to offer a 180-degree field of view with 4K resolution, stitched together using AI to produce 8K 360-degree footage. That's a massive jump in creative power, especially for action sports and cinematic POV shots. In FPV mode, the drone may deliver 5K 60 frames per second video and 30 megapixel photos, while the full 360 system could support 120 megapixel panoramic stills. To handle this heavy data, DJI is reportedly boosting internal storage to 128 gigabytes, plus microSD support. The drone will also use the new O4 Plus transmission system to push range up to 20 kilometers, and flight time is expected to increase slightly to about 25 minutes. The first leak of the Avata 360 appeared in May, showing a blurry prototype being tested outdoors. Even though the image was unclear, enhanced versions revealed major design changes compared to the Avata 2. The drone's body looks thinner and longer, and the top section is much lower, sitting almost level with the rotors. This is likely done to keep the drone's body from showing up in 360-degree footage. The back of the drone also seems longer to balance the new slim shape. It comes in a light gray color, similar to DJI's newer models, and overall, the design looks more like a larger version of the Neo 2 than a classic Avata. One thing the first leak did not include, however, was a top 360-degree lens, suggesting DJI was actively hiding the main feature during early testing. This became even more interesting when, on August 14th, a new competitor called the Antigravity 360 drone was announced, claiming to be the world's first true 360-degree drone with a launch set for January 2026. This triggered speculation across the drone community. Would DJI allow another brand to dominate a category DJI is perfectly positioned to own? About a month later, a new set of leaks made the Avata 360 even more interesting. This time, the photos showed a small bump on top of the drone, which many believe could be the hidden 360-degree lens missing from the first leak. Pricing leaks indicate that China will get the most aggressive pricing, with international markets paying a premium. In China, the drone alone is expected to cost around $426, while a Fly More combo could reach about $811. In the US, estimated pricing ranges from roughly $489 for the drone only to around $999 for the Fly More bundle. DJI Care is expected to cost about $57, and FCC pre-approval suggests US availability despite ongoing DJI-related restrictions. According to current information, the DJI Avata 360 is expected to launch in Q1 2026. If these leaks hold true, this could be one of DJI's most versatile and talked-about drones in years. Stay tuned. More confirmed specs and details are likely just around the corner. Let's talk about another 360 drone in the market. Every once in a while, a product drops that instantly hijacks your social feed. Not because it's overhyped, but because your brain can't process what it's seeing. That's exactly what happened with the Antigravity A1. The moment people saw its footage, the reaction was the same everywhere. Wait, how is this even possible? And for the first time in years, the most talked about drone on the internet isn't coming from DJI. The One is the world's first flying camera built entirely around an 8K 360-degree capture system, and that single design choice changes everything. Instead of flying a drone and worrying about framing, angles, or the direction the camera is facing, the One lets you forget all of that. You just fly. The drone captures everything around it, and later, during editing, you simply pick the angle you want. Forward, backward, downward, sideways, even toward yourself. No more missed moments because you tilted the camera wrong. This freedom is why so many creators call the One a cheat code. A new category that feels shockingly free. What makes the One exciting isn't just its specs, although 8K 360 footage with multiple export formats is undeniably impressive. Its real appeal is emotional. Pilots describe the feeling as liberating, like exploring rather than operating a machine. Beginners love that the drone corrects itself and stays incredibly stable, while FPV pilots are baffled that the One can deliver FPV-style visuals without requiring FPV skills at all. Even travel vloggers are obsessed because a single flight gives them both horizontal and vertical shots, perfectly framed in editing. Online reactions show genuine surprise that such a tiny drone can create footage that feels so fresh and so different. It's almost like the industry has stumbled into a new era where presence matters more than piloting precision. The One isn't replacing traditional drones. It simply opens a door to a completely new way of capturing memories, adventures, and unpredictable moments like cycling, pets, or fast-moving action. DJI is watching and getting ready to strike back. Of course, once something goes viral, DJI notices. Leaks already confirm that the DJI Avata 360 is on the way, which tells you everything you need to know about how serious this new category is becoming. Interestingly, the two drones seem to come from opposite philosophies. The One is essentially a 360 camera that happens to fly. The Avata 360 appears to be an FPV drone that adds 360 capability. That difference alone means the One will feel calmer, smoother, and more automatic, while DJI's version will likely be faster and more manual. The One also has clever design touches, like retractable landing gear that keeps the camera's full 360-degree view unobstructed in the air. But it's not perfect. Battery life is average, especially compared to DJI's mini lineup, and 8K 360 footage demands heavy processing that requires a powerful computer. Stitching can produce minor imperfections on water, trees, or close objects. People who want flawless, cinematic, shallow depth of field shots straight out of the camera will still prefer DJI. A generational shift in drone filmmaking. Still, it's hard to deny that the One feels like the beginning of something big. a generational shift toward drones that prioritize creativity over control. For creators who want freedom instead of settings, travelers who want all angles, and beginners who just want amazing footage without stress, the One is almost unbeatable. And now, with DJI preparing its answer, the competition is about to get very real. If the Avata 360 can match the One's freedom while delivering DJI's legendary stability, the entire drone landscape could transform faster than anyone expected. For now, though, the Antigravity A1 stands as the most exciting drone release in years, a flying camera that challenges everything we thought drones were supposed to be. If you love creative freedom, zero stress, and choosing your angles after the flight, the One is already the perfect fit. But if you prefer speed, control, and classic FPV energy, waiting for the Avata 360 might be smarter. Two different visions. One choice depends entirely on your style. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 360 and the Antigravity A1 each push the boundaries of immersive aerial creativity. The Avata 360 delivers intuitive control, reliable performance, and a polished ecosystem, while the Antigravity A1 impresses with innovative features and competitive pricing. Choosing between them depends on your priorities: seamless integration and established support, or fresh technology and value. Both drones inspire exploration and elevate perspectives, making either an exciting choice for future adventures for creators seeking cutting-edge flight experiences today.